Okay, Bismillah, so in here, Professor Muhammad will make an IT tutorial for an English project. So on the second semester, we learn about web design. Yeah. So website actually is website in Google. You can search in search engine, the page in search engine. So website is contains of menu, hero section about us and things they offer, access of the company of the website, and then service, reviews, FAQ, and the last is footer. Menu is same as heading or header. Yeah. So in here, I make the design about architecture website. The name is Aran. So as you see, this is the menu or the header, and then this is the hero section, and then this is the about us. So in here, I will make about the things that they over or the website over. So first, you need to have a reference from one of the website or random website like me. I choose the Emporio RC tag as the my reference. So in here, this is the header and this is their header section, and now we will focus on their things they over section. So I just start by make. By the way, this is the frame 7. On the frame, you can add for layout grid and then set the this from grid to columns, count your tab. Then the color is black, stretch, margin 30, glitter 20. Okay, so let's start. So first make a rectangle in here, big rectangle, and then count downs, yeah, big rectangle. You can make it as a red first, so we can see it clearly. And the second one, you can make corner radius, the corner radius, add for the corner radius for about mm, 30 now. So after that, this is the function of the reference, so you can see the design or yeah, the design. Maybe we not copy, but we just ATM look, copy, and edit. Yeah, it's copy basically. Okay, but we edit it. So the first, this one should be white, and you can add stroke on the rectangle for about 5, and then you can copy again and make it small. After that, for the corner radius, for this one will be 0 and this one. Boom. And let's start make it the color. So its color will be blue. Let's follow the sky color. Yeah. Okay. Blue color. So first, as you can see, they put their logo on it here and then the description. So we'll follow it. So make sure you have a logo for your website first, and then just put it on here on the middle and move forward. Yeah. Then make it bigger. Okay. After that, change this into white color because the color will be same as the background if we don't change it. Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay, nice. So the second one will be the description. So the description is what we over. Okay, move forward and then yeah, move forward. Oh, by the way, all is big letters, so using capital. What we over. So what we over, first make it regular, make it bold, and then go to, where is it? Oh, my bad. And then make it in the middle under the logo of the website logo, yeah. And after that, you can make it bigger. Okay, after like this, give a space between the logo and the text. Okay, the next will be the text like this. Okay, so we will copy this one. Oh, never mind. We're not copy. Just copy from the reference website and then copy on here. And then, oh yeah, by the way, you need to never mind. Okay, this is for the reference text. Yeah, you can edit later. And the next one will be make the rectangle with full of image. Yeah, the change this to be image and then enter one of your creation or the example of the architecture that you will over to them like this. Boom. Don't forget for the corner radius for about 20 corner radius, and then you can copy and move to the left side. After that, you can copy again, move to the left side. Yeah, I think 3 enough. Oh, my bad. Okay. After you put it on the middle of the frame, then you need to find another image. So I have 2 images on here. Yeah, this one. And is there any? Okay, there's not. So that's all the tutorial for the what we over section website, what we over website sections. So thank you guys for watching. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.